Hello everyone, today is 8th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have Trump hints at India visit near next year. Quad summit has to wait. Again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have remove stray dogs from public places, shift them to shelters, says Supreme Court. Again very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward we have coming staggering hours for government MCD staff. Again very important news. Moving forward we have tech glitch at Delhi airport delays at least 600 flights. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have resume Narega work in Bengal, says High Court to Center. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says PK's holier than thou politics has a challenge and an opportunity. Again, very important for political and governance perspective. Then we have AI mania masks, economic fissures and rising uncertainty. Again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have Maoist insurgency is dying, now tackle its causes. Again a very important editorial. Moving forward we have wildlife board panel clears 12 key defense projects in Ladakh. Again very important for defense perspective. Moving forward we have panel seeks higher protection for racist macaque under wildlife act. Again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward we have China commissions its most advanced carrier. Again very important for defense perspective. Then we have Maldives to acquire military aircraft next year, says Muizzu. Again very important for international relations and defense perspective. Then we have typhoon Kalmaigi brings rain and destruction in Vietnam. Again very important for environment perspective. Then we have explosion rock mosque in Indonesian school injures 55. Again very important. Then we have Kazakhstan to join Abraham Accords with Israel, says Trump. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have why Nvidia's Jensen Huang said China is going to win the AI race. Again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have DeepSeek researcher pessimistic over AI's impact on jobs. Again very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, which is once upon a Dalmia Nagar. Again very important. Then we have how Trump's G2 framing for US-China relations could impact allies. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have climate changes driven by human need and greed. Again very important for environment perspective. Then we have where states stand on revenue collections before and after GST. Again very important for economic perspective. Then we have SC orders removal of stray dogs from public premises. What are ABC rules? Again very important for polity and governance perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.